Konnichiwa. In this video, you'll be introduced to the verb dictionary form and the verb must form, and learn the difference between those two forms. I'll also talk about my suggestion on which form to study first. Before getting into the details, let's take a look at this scenario. Let's say Shiro decided to study Japanese by herself. And Shiro wants to know how to say I study in Japanese. So she looks up a dictionary. And she found in the dictionary that to study in Japanese is 勉強する. Next day, she ran into her Japanese friend and he asked Shiro what she is going to do today. Shiro is going to study, so she said 勉強する. Shiro's Japanese friend understood what she said, and it looked like the conversation went well. Shiro also ran into her Japanese teacher, and he asked what Shiro is going to do today. Shiro said, 勉強する. Now her teacher looks unhappy with what Shiro said. What went wrong with this conversation? The verb Shiro found in the dictionary, 勉強する, for to study, is called a dictionary form, also known as the basic form or the plain form of Japanese verbs. And this form is used as a casual or informal speech style, meaning that we can use the casual speech style when we talk to friends or family members, but it's not appropriate when speaking to the teachers, your boss at work, or anyone you should show your respect. So what do we do when we want to speak politely? We use the must form. Must form is used as a polite or formal speech style. We'll learn how to change a verb in dictionary form to a must form in the next video. Some people may wonder which form you should study first. I would say you would want to learn the dictionary form to move to the next level from the absolute beginner level. For people who just started learning Japanese, learning the must form first may be easier because learning the dictionary form can be overwhelming, and also it's safe to speak politely. For people who are just learning Japanese only for several phrases, for a temporary purpose like a trip to Japan, learning the whole verb structures and conjugations can be too much. For people who want to learn Japanese simply because, or possibly for JLPT or any tests, or people who are taking a class that requires students to learn verb conjugations, it's critical to study the dictionary forms to move to the next level.